Alrighty then, welcome back. Still not sure if Alright, before print off and cloning and eventually destroy them. I will destroy you. I don't know if I'm recording. Hopefully I am. Hopefully. Just quickly check. Can you just stop? Okay, I am. Just making sure. Sorry. Let's get back to it. Alrighty then. Hello. Welcome back to Slime Rancher. This is episode 3. Yep, I uploaded episode 1 and 2 yesterday. I started off on my first video. I got 5 views overnight, so I'm pretty chuffed about myself. And I'm gonna quickly give her the things she wants and get some free stuff. What am I getting for free? Oh, crap, that's a lot of stuff. I got a free rock floor. Alrighty then. Sorry about that at the start, where I didn't know if I was recording or not. I tried recording. Yeah, so let's just jump straight in. There you go. Now you got some food. Now you're not so hungry. Alright, little dudes over here, Dawn. You got plenty of food. Bounce. Beautiful thingies. Oh my goodness. Oh. You ate all the food already. Well then. I don't know how you're capable of that, but you are very, very hungry, I'm guessing. And let's just plop these on in here. I don't know why I just randomly stopped, but I did. I'm getting a lot of money. Got a bit rich. But yeah. Christmas is coming up. I'm pretty excited. Having a big going camping. Pretty fun. So yeah, I guess let's just head out and what about the backpack? I gotta buy some stuff quickly. So I can get it. Oh, that's pretty neat. I gotta get another corral. Oof. And I can't get another garden there. I'll just chuck it up here then. I can't really put one anywhere else. There we go. Fuck. I'm gonna have to wait. You know what? Fight to the death who gets the odd onion. You'll be very happy. Apparently it tastes very nice according to the crystal slimes. I like to eat it. I'm gonna go do something. I'm gonna go. Where should I go? I don't know. Oh, there's a little slime key. So. Food. Need that. A couple of pink slime. I'm gonna try to not kill that many slimes this episode. Because episode 2 and 1 did kill a couple, which was me. I don't know. I just did for some reason. I don't know. Alright, let's try to find a daughter, I think it is. Where the hell did you come from? You just plopped out. There's a tabby daughter up that way. Aha, that's what I should do. Oh, you're hungry. There you go. Got some food to bribe my way. Holy flipple nipple. Yeah! No, why? Gosh dang it. Oh, I guess I'm not going that way. Are you guys hungry? Oh, you look sad. Don't do that. Bad. Ow! I will feed you to stop hurting me. Chicken, chicken, chicken. I've got food. Steal up all these thoughts. Oh, okay. Oh, my friend's texting me and actually scared the jinkies out of me. Right? And if you asking, are you searching up all this stuff to find all the crystal slimes because you know they all are? I've played this game a lot and I've completed it a couple of times over. Or like gold slimes and stuff. Victor. He wasn't the guy that said he made floor cloning technology that destroyed it because he did dumbass. Back here, chicken. Fly. I don't know why I did that. I just felt like it. $3.20. If I only had 100 more. Are you that hungry again? Is it possible for you to stop eating? See, these guys all chill. They've got food. They just run around. They got a pet. They've got a little chicken friend. So let's try go get into the Indigo Quarry. Oh, no. I keep forgetting to get the jetpack because I need it to get the crystal slimes. They like to eat the onions. Eat them. Put in their mouths. What? There's 350? I thought it was 250. Well, shiza. I went over to something more up. No, I cannot get inside of my backpack. It should give me enough. Well then. See how much they're worth for one floor? It's... You're rich if I get those slimes, and I'm going to be getting those slimes in a second. If possible, please acquire the following for a future study. Thank you. What? They want me slimes? No. No, that's not nice. You're not having my slimes. They're my friends. My only ones to be exact. Oh, I got one little odd onion. Okay, let's head to the Indigo Quarry. Let's get some carrots so I can feed my slimes. I don't want to be a bad parent. I want to be able to feed them. I think my bandicam is about to cut out. I don't know. Probably already has. I'm talking to myself right now. Here you go, have some food. Don't look at me. If I get a crystal slime from this, I'm gonna be very happy. What the hell is that? Oh, an ornament. Some more onions. Right. Right, I think that. Could you just please these by the bandy. Whatever, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, I just to be annoying. It tends to do that every 10 minutes. Brilliant, isn't it? Let's go grab some. Yeah, see, this way is quick. I don't know why I go around that other way. Pretty should have said that thing. I can't be bothered. Gabba gabba. Bless me. Oh, got another on him. There's some water slimes. Alright, please make it. Please don't, like, get knocked out or some shit. Oh, I made it. Oh, that was tense. That was intense. Oak is an odd onion winning. Alright, there's some chickens. I could probably. We're gonna get eaten anyway. Right, we go ahead this way. Yep, but there's those dudes. Or they're gonna try kill. But trash and gone. I think we head up this way, and they're all just jumping into some water. I've got absolutely no clue where I'm going. I don't know. How do you open your map? Where? Yep, I'm confused. Oh yeah, I don't know. Wait, what? Okay, this is the place. Oh, I'm gonna have to get rid of something. Wait, what? Wait, what? How do you open your map? I'm on Xbox, so like, put a comment down below and tell me how to do it, because I am very confused. Oh great, there's a tide right here. Ooh, almost went off the edge. Ow, ow. Oh, of course it's a tar. Why, where wouldn't there be tars? Get out of here, boy. Oh, then, how's a flip-flop? Do we get crystal slimes? Where? I'm very confused right now. Alright. Hey? Now, my mind hurts. My brain hurts. My everything hurts right now. I wonder what this is. Big building. Right. Please don't break them. Oh, there's a portal. Let's go for it. You're very fast in this game. Wait. What? I just... How do you... That's the place where you get to the ruins. But how the flabbergabba are you supposed to... after you open your map. Let's check. Flashlight. Next. Vac. Gadget mode. Ah. Ah, didn't work. I am very confused. Map. Touchpad button. There we go. I've blinded it all. And I'm in the complete wrong place. Alrighty then. So I got quite lost. So here. Yeah, so should have turned right when I got to that bridge. Shed. Shed. Stop singing that song. Trying to get like copyrighted or something. Donkey stuff. Okay. I'm recording for getting cut out. I don't know. Now where's this little entrance up there? Pretty sure it's just the way. I do not know the way. Get into me. You do not know the way. Get into maps. Now you know the way. Aha! I found it. Come to me, my children. Ah! Trying to get. Oh my god! Alright, that should be enough. Because these things are a pain in the ass. I gotta give them that. They hurt you a lot. Alright then, so when I get back to the ranch for the end of the video, just because I can't. Ooh, that's a black pod. Not like that. Being racist or anything, just stating the colour of it. Please don't get me for racism. I'm not trying to be. Yeah. Anyway, whoa, that's a big tower. That is a nice big thingy. I'm not gonna say that because I'll get like beat by YouTube. They'll hurt me. Probably know anyone from the videos anyway. I feel like okay. Fight for the food. There's one thing I don't like about crystal slimes is the fact that they just like poop out crystals. Right, we are back. Sorry, anyway, it's probably the last 5 or so minutes, And yeah, been on the ranch for 4 days. It's midnight. I'm gonna chuck these in there, give them some food, let them be happy, and hopefully I don't get killed. And smack these on in here. Christmassy, right? It's the furthest from Christmas. So you got even more odd onions. Beautiful. There you go, now you got food. Now you're not gonna get angry. Go and get the rest of the food. It's going to be on the ground. Then wither overnight. Anyway, I'll probably end it here. So I guess I'll see you in the next episode, probably around this afternoon. If for any of those who watch it, and I'll read this email. Salutations, Miss LeBeau. Victor Humphreys. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Victor Humphreys, a professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and amateur musician. My understanding is that Miss West has already informed you of how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Instead, I'll illuminate you on what you can expect from my own requests. As a slime scientist and rancher, I have a tremendous interest in the liqueform legion that we share this vast range with the slimes. My studies often keep me from venturing out on the range daily, so when I find myself short of a particular species, I use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though, I'll reimburse you handsomely for your efforts. Good luck in your new adventure, Miss LeBeau. I look forward to seeing life breathe once again in the former Twilligers ranch. Sincerely, Victor Humphreys. P.S. Once I lost my favourite fiddle while fleeing a feral boom slime. Its value is only sentimental, but should you find it, I'd very much love to be able to play it again. Maybe a little side quest. Alright, maybe I'll find that in the next video. Alright, I'll see you all later.